Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin Frizz.
And this is Butch Hubner, the District 3 Deputy Director. 40 years you've been with ODOT.
40 years on Sunday, yeah. Last Sunday was 40.
Very cool. So tell me about District 3.
Well, District 3, great district to work in. 8 counties, 4,160 lane miles, and 1,400 bridges. Oh, and we have an island.
Who knew? ODOT has a small cities grant, and one of the cities that's taken advantage of it is here in District 3 in Bucyrus. And John joins me. John, sort of talk about how this small cities grant was sort of the spark to get downtown going again.
The Small Cities Grant revitalized our downtown. We redid everything, the streets, the curbs, some of the sidewalks, and it really helped give a focus point that allowed a lot of other private investors to open up shops, put in new parks. We have a brand new art park that went in, so it's really sparked a lot of further development in our community.
And of course, the grant for ODOT covers 80% of the cost of construction. The locals then have to come up with a 20% match. The total program is about $10 million.
Here at ODOT, we love planning out projects well in advance, but sometimes emergencies happen. I'm here on the 5th Avenue ramp from US 30 in Mansfield. Last year, this area got 5 inches of rain within 2 hours, resulting in this culvert to get washed out. Our ODOT crews worked on this for 21 days, and now it looks good as new. Up in Lorain County, a portion of I-90 was closed when a large void was discovered under the pavement. ODOT contractors worked around the clock to get that area open within 48 hours.
A new idea in District 3 is making it easier for our local government partners to work with ODOT. It's called the Life Cycle Asset Maintenance Plan, or LAMP. Yes, I too love LAMP.
I love LAMP. I love LAMP.
This strategy removes any confusion or disconnect between planning and construction on local government projects. So instead of passing a project on to each different office to do its job, now the same team oversees the project from start to finish.
It goes all the way from scoping a project to reviewing the plans to filing the plans until finally construction.
And the other cool part, the same ODOT team will also work on future maintenance of the project. It's a soup to nuts project approach, which makes for happier customers.
The big focus is switching to being more treating the locals like a customer and just kind of making sure that they get that the taxpayers and the locals themselves are getting the best product for the money. Bottom
line, we're able to deliver projects faster and smarter. Who knew?
Here in District 3, we're always looking for new opportunities for our employees to advance. One of the ways that we're doing that is by starting our Future program. This program allows for employees to come and shadow a department for 2 weeks to see if it's an area that they're interested in, and then they can further pursue their career in that field.
We received emails, and it looked like a good thing to look into. I mean, I always want to keep my options open, and advancement's always a good thing.
I know when I was in HT, there was a lot of different positions at ODOT, and you don't know what you want to do or where you might want to go until you get the opportunity to do that.
So far in District 3, we've had over 24 employees who have participated in the program. Not only are we doing it in District 3, but other districts are picking it up as well.
Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Check us out on social media, and we love receiving your feedback and story ideas to loop@dot.ohio.gov.